Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. Big shout out to the notification gang. Big shout out to Modi PD. Thank you so much for your love and your support. In today's video, I am going to be taking out these braids, these Mali twists of mine that have long stayed their welcome. And then also I'm just going to be doing a length check for you guys, my first ever length check. So first I'm going to be taking out my Mali twists, and under my Mali twist I have more twists. It's just twist on twist. I've had these twist-ins for I think about nearly a month now. I have redone them before, but I mean my hair has been in this twisted state for about a month, or maybe even more than a month, maybe 5 to 6 weeks now. So I'm going to undo these twists, and then I am going to wash my hair, detangle, do the full shebang, and get back to you guys. I'm going to link my detangling video, how to detangle your knots out properly so that you don't damage your hair. And I'm also going to link my wash day routine, my updated wash day routine in the cards. So this is what my hair is looking like freshly washed. It is still wet, even though it doesn't look it, it is still wet. It's just a little bit damp. So this is what it's currently looking like after a good detangle. So I'm just going to go in and moisturize my hair using my lock method, my liquid oil and cream. I'm going to link that in the cards as well. I'm really making sure that I moisturize my hair since it has been in braids. So I'm making sure that I replenish all the moisture that was gone. So this is what my hair is currently looking like. A lot of shrinkage. So let's jump straight into the length check. This ruler I've had since primary school, guys. I don't even know how many years it's been now. This is the only ruler I could find in the house. So yeah, first we're going to start by measuring the, what do you call this? The temples, my temple. I presume that both sides are the same, so I'm only going to do one side. So measuring my temple area, it is about 22 centimeters, give or take. I am going to be doing a trim of my hair, so I'm just sort of going to the area where I would trim it. So the current length, it would be after my sort of trim. After that, I'm going to go in and measure the middle of my hair. So the front middle section of my hair is approximately 21 centimeters. And my lower back section of my hair is the longest part of my hair. It's also the loosest curl pattern. My hair has two sort of different curl patterns. It's like 4C and 4B. So this is the 4B section, and it's about 24 centimeters. So this is the longest section of my hair. Then I'm going to do the middle of my hair, so the dead center middle before you start sort of getting into the crown area. And this is my tightest curl pattern and my kinkiest section of my hair, which is going to be my shortest section of hair. So this area is about 20 centimeters. So this is the shortest section of my hair. So personally for myself, I'm not a big fan of sort of religiously checking my length. As I said in the video, this is the first time that I have done it. It's just not something that I'm really into, and I've never really been a big fan of it. My hair is going to grow. I will notice if my hair isn't growing, if my hair is breaking, if my hair is this, if my hair is that. And a lot of factors contribute towards hair growth, such as genetics, the products that you use, the care, and things like that. I will admit that this is the longest that my hair has actually been, and I'm very happy with that, and I know that that's because of the way that I have been maintaining it. But in terms of constantly measuring your hair to see whether it's growing, I think it's not necessary, to be honest. You'll see if your hair is growing. There's no need to measure how quickly it's growing. I mean, you don't measure how quickly your eyelashes are growing or how quickly your nails are growing. So why should you measure your hair? So yeah, that's the end of the video. Make sure to comment down below your thoughts and like if you like the video. I'll see you guys next week. I love you guys so much.